Welcome to aminacademy.com. In coordinate geometry regarding hyperbola, let us do some example problem. Show that the equation 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 308 equals 0 represent hyperbola, and also find its coordinates of center, length of axis, eccentricity, length of latus rectum, coordinate of foci and vertices, and equation of directrix. Now, first let us write the equation of hyperbola given. 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 308 equal to 0. Now, collecting x term and y term separate, like here 16 common, x square, here 32x is there, so we'll write 2 into 16 is 32, so plus 2x minus 9 is common for y terms, and y square minus 36, 4 into 9 is 36, that is 4y equal 308. Now we'll do completing the square. 16 x square plus 2x, 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is 1 square, that is 1 square is 1, adding 1 for x terms, and y square minus 4y, adding 4 because 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 square is 4 equal 308. So we added 16 is added, so we add right side also 16, and we sub minus 9 into 4 is the minus 36, so we have to subtract 36. So we can write further this as 16 into, because x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square minus 9, y square minus 4y plus 4 is y minus 2 the square equal 308 plus 16 minus 36 is 288. Now let us rewrite like here x plus 1 whole square 16 over 288 minus 9 y minus 2 the square over 288 equal 288 divided by 288. Now 288 divided by 16, that is 18 comes, so x plus 1 over 18 minus 288 over 9, which is equal 32, that is y minus 2 whole square over 32 equal 1. From this equation we can understand the given equation is a hyperbola. Therefore given equation is a hyperbola. Now here we need shifting the origin. Here original parabola normally to have origin is 0 0, but here origin is shifted to minus 1 and 2 because plus x plus 1 whole square is there, here y minus 2 whole square is there. Therefore shifting the origin at minus 1 to 2. without rotating the axis. Without rotating the axis. And let the new coordinates are x comma y. Therefore we can say x equal x minus 1 and y is y plus 2. Therefore the equation become becomes x square over 18 minus y square over 32 equal 1, where a square equal 18 and b square equal 32. Now here our equation also become x square over a square minus y square over b square equal 1. Now we'll do one by one. Center is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore here capital X is 0 means that is center is minus 1 and 2. Length of transverse axis equal 2a, which is equal 2 into a is root of 18, which is further equal 6 root 2. Length of conjugate axis length of conjugate axis is 2b, which is further equal 2 into root of 32, which gives by simplification 8 root 2. Now eccentricity equals square root of a square plus b square over a square, which is equal square root of 18 plus 32 over 18. Here by simplification it gives 5 over 3. Length of latus rectum equals 2b square over a, which is equal 64 over 2 into 32 is 64 over root of 18, which gives by simplification 64 over 3 root 2. Then foci equal x equal plus or minus ae and y equal 0, which is equal further equal minus 1, because x is here minus 1 plus or minus ae and 2. so which is further equal -1 plus or minus plus or minus 5 root of 18 over 3 comma 2, which gives simplified manner as -1 plus or minus 5 root 2 and 2. Vertices is x equal plus or minus a and y equal 0, which gives -1 plus or minus a comma -2, which gives -1 plus or minus root 18 comma -2. Further it is equal -1 plus or minus 3 root 2, because root 18 is 3 root 2, and -2. Let us use some space. Next one, vertices. Next directrix. Directrix x equal plus or minus a over e. Equation of directrix, which is equal x plus 1, because x, capital X is x plus 1, equal plus or minus 3 root 18 over 5. That final simplification you get, x is equal -1 plus or minus 9 root 2, because root 18 is 3 root 2, then 3 into 3 is 9 root 2 over 5. I take LCM, that is 5 minus 5 plus or minus 9 root 2. Therefore, equation of directrix we can write as x equal -5 plus or minus 9 root 2 over 5. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.